Hello everyone, welcome to Weekid's channel. Panchatantra Tales. The Flea and the Bug. Once upon a time, there lived a flea in a king's bed. He fed on his blood and was very happy and content. One day, a bug entered the king's bedroom. The flea said, "You cannot stay here. Leave immediately." The bug said, "I am just a guest. Once I have a taste of king's blood, I shall go away." The flea replied, "I feed only when the king is sleeping. Remember not to hurt him with your teeth." But the bug was an impatient sort. As soon as the king got ready to sleep, the bug bit him. The king called out to his attendants. He said, "Something bit me. It could be a bug or a flea." The bug hid under the king's mattress. The flea thought, "I should not have allowed the bug to stay here." Meanwhile, the king's servant found the flea between the linens and killed her. The poor Brahmin's dream. A poor Brahmin lived in a village. He used to beg for alms and kept it in a pot beside his cot. One day, a rich merchant gave him a pot of cooked rice. He ate a little and kept the rest near his cot. Then, with his eyes on the pot, he fell asleep. Soon he began dreaming. He dreamt that there was a famine in the village. He sold the pot of rice for 100 silver coins, with which he bought buffaloes and cows. He sold their milk, curd, and butter. Soon he was a rich man with a palatial house. The cattle had a separate shed, but a cow entered his house and dirtied the floor. Still dreaming, the Brahmin picked up a stick and hit the cow. Just then he woke up. He had picked up the stick near his cot and broke the pot. The Two-Headed Bird. Once there lived a strange bird in the forest. He had two heads. One day the bird found a rare golden fruit by the lake. The left head began eating the fruit. When the right head tweeted, "The first looks tempted. Let me have a taste of it." The left head tweeted haughtily, "Since we share one stomach, it makes no difference who eats it. I found this fruit, so I will eat it." The right head wanted to teach the left head a lesson. A few days later, the right head found a tree with poisonous fruit. He tweeted, "This fruit looks so delicious." The left head tweeted, "It's poisonous. We will die since we share the same stomach." The red head tweeted, "I found it, so I will eat it." The left head pleaded, but the right head ate the fruit. As a result, the bird was dead. Hope you all loved this story, and in coming videos we will come up with more and more stories you can enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos, and do not forget to tap on the bell icon to receive the updated videos of our channel. Thank you. Bye. And let's meet with another exciting story. Bye.